When your comfort's on the line, trust the name Kingfisher and the OKC area calls first. Hartzells Heat and Air. We're local, proven, and known for honest service and quality that lasts. From 99 tune-ups to high-efficiency Carrier, Train, and Climate Master installs, we do the job right and stand behind every system we touch. Our techs are trained, background checked, and backed by real experience. No gimmicks, no guesswork. Call 405-375-4042 or go to Blivia Bank, HartzellsHeatAir.com. Hartzells Heat and Air. The quality goes in before the sticker goes on. I'll take change. I'll take change. And Nate Swallowing. Hartzells Heat.